Your customer review system is ready to install, and then you'll be ready to go. First, you're watching this video located here, and when this video is done, go back to that email and click on the link below it. This is the link that will open up your customized desktop portal. When you click that link, it will open a web page that looks like this. Obviously, your customer portal will be branded with your logo here. But the first step is to create a desktop icon so that you can get to the portal easily. Just minimize that screen so that you can still see your home screen and still see the web page. Next, right-click on the icon right before the URL, and sometimes this icon will actually be this thumbs up icon, but you're going to right-click on that and slide it over to your desktop. And that creates your desktop icon. Anytime you have a customer in front of you, just simply double-click on the icon, and it will open your desktop portal. And this is the easy part. All you need to do to make our program work, because our software does all the other work, is just invest an additional 3 seconds into every sale. And every time you have a customer, make sure that you invest those 3 seconds, open your desktop portal, and just enter their name, their email address, their cell phone number, and the name of the salesperson if you have multiple salespeople. Now, in a pinch, if you're really busy, all we really need to do to generate that first text is enter the customer's cell phone number. But if you have the time, make sure you include the customer's name and email address because it auto-populates for the customer, making the process easier for them. Now that you have entered your customer's information into the portal, you will just hit Send Feedback Request. Once you hit that, your customer will receive a text within seconds. And in that text, it will say, "Thank you for doing business with us. Please click this link." When they click that link, it will open up a page that looks like this on their smartphone that just asks them a couple of basic questions. Again, we're not trying to do an in-depth survey here. What we're trying to find out is if the customer is happy. And if they're not happy with the process, what was the problem? So after those 3 or 4 questions, the customer will choose your star rating between 1 and 5. If they choose 1 to 3, a page just opens up and says, "Thank you for your feedback." If they choose 4 or 5, it redirects them to your Google page. First, it will send them to a page with a short 45-second video that will teach them how to post the review to your Google page. Now, there are a bunch of different Android phones out there, and there's a bunch of different versions of Android. So, on some phones, customers may have a problem posting a review from their phone. But either case, what we do is we are automatically sending the customer an email at this very same time. They'll receive it immediately that has a direct Google review link in it. So if they click that link from a desktop computer, it will open up directly to where they should post the review. Plus, we do email a couple of follow-ups out there too, so we make sure that if the customer is willing to post a review, we give them plenty of opportunity to do it. So once your customer has watched this short 45-second video, they'll go to your Google page and post the review. Now, if you have signed up for the optional Facebook share feature, which we usually will add after 30 or 60 days of the program being in place. Again, this is an additional feature that we can add on after the original 30 days. But if you are doing the Facebook share feature, after your customer leaves positive feedback, they'll receive a text that says, "Thank you for your positive feedback. Please click this link to share us on Facebook." And when they click that link, a page opens up on their smartphone that looks like this. But it will have your advertisement right here. This is your post. So whatever you want to advertise to them and to all their friends, you can put right here. Keep in mind, the average Facebook person has 220 friends. So that means for every one of your customers that shares this on their Facebook page, 220 people will be seeing it. So again, 220 people will be seeing your customized personal advertisement right here. So once the customer hits share, it shares that post to their Facebook. It's that simple. But it all starts right here with the customer desktop portal. You need to make sure that you invest that additional 3 seconds and input the customer's information.